Okie dokie. I, why am I still listening to this? Oh, that's cool. This is not what I listen to when I program. I don't listen to that. We don't listen to that. We gotta listen to something else. Let's see. Probably, if I had to hazard a guess, maybe something here. Nope. I'd probably just do that. That probably works. Okie doke. Let's see. I think I got everything operational. It looks like it. That's just for that. That's just for that. Okay. We can we can begin. Okay. So there's some things that we're doing today. Um Today is just a like fix stuff kind of day. Okay, so let's see. There's can I just like yeah, perfect. Okay. There's a list of things that we're doing today. There's let me let me pull up the issue tracker. Let me see. Oh, okay, yeah. There's let's move this down a little bit. Hello, hello. I am pretty good. How you doing? Yeah, that is right in the middle of everything. Okay. That needs to be moved over a little bit. Let's move that over like here. There we go. Maybe a little bit lower. Maybe like that. Had a big breakfast, the best jam I've ever tasted in my life. You know what? That's pretty good. The tragic situation I'm currently in is I have jam but no bread. So there's not really much to do use the jam with. Actually, no, I have like a giant jar of jam that unfortunately doesn't taste as great as I had anticipated it tasting. So we have, oh, dude, can I like make this font like just a little bit bigger? Can we zoom in? Can we get some zoom? Uh, Let me see if I can increase the font size. Surely there's got to be a way, right? Like, Wait, is there not? There should be. Font size, dude. You're serious? Wait, no, I thought for sure. Hold on. I need to like raise it like 2 points and we're good. General appears. I did that. Um, preferences. Wait, where is this? Oh, wait. Window preference. Wait, I literally just opened the same thing. Set the font size. General. Where is general? Where is general? Oh, I'm in general. Holy crap. Colors and fonts. There we go. Java. Where's Java? There it is. Wait, no, can I just do basic? What? Text font. Text font used by text editors. The block selection mode is used by text editors in block column mode. A monospace font should be okay. This. Edit this. Make it like 18 point. Apply and close. Yes, dude. Yes. Okay. We got there. It's more visible now. Okay. I don't think that changes the font size. Oh my gosh, it does. Changes font size for this too, which is nice, but like this is too big now. I will need to decrease the font size later. I can set it back. Anyway, so this thing. Someone said that in this file here, let's I guess this is like what we're doing. No, well, yeah, this is probably what we're gonna be doing first. They said that in here. Nice, I didn't close that. They say that in here. This is quote from the issue. In CT resistances.java, it calls a Zen class that does not exist. Which makes you wonder why it works to begin with. But apparently it does. And that's really impressive. But I know what I'm supposed to fix. I know where this is. This is like an easy like one line fix. It should be anyway. Okay, right? So that's that. Then I want to work on ZenScript examples. There's like a whole bunch of those. I don't know. There's like a whole bunch of these that I want to work on. Like, I don't know, a bunch. And then lastly, there is between lens integration. Because the shields are weird. That's pretty much the agenda. I don't think there's anything else. I mean, anything else that I really want to work on. If we have extra time, I'll consider what else I can do. That's basically the idea. I'm actually gonna change the edit this. Nope. Default, set to default text font. Oh, Java editor text. Edit. This is for this. Yeah, this is better. It's not as big. Was this as big as I had it before? I don't know. I'll keep it like this. This seems fine. Also, it took me forever to get this working yesterday. I was like, all right, I'm gonna like make sure this is all set up or whatever. Apparently, when I don't touch Eclipse for like a month or whatever, everything just breaks and nothing works. And I have to like reset up the entire workspace like 5 times. I think it took me like an hour and a half or something. It was dumb, needless to say. But we got there. See, and it still thinks that things don't exist when they do, which is really cool. Anyway, um, so I need to go to I had to like reset up this entire thing here. Craft Tweaker capabilities. No, wait. Yes, because it's in this file. This right here. That's what we need to fix. That this is wrong. I don't know why it worked to begin with. Again, this makes no sense. It calls a Zen class mods.ddd.idd damage type, but the correct one is mods.ddd.damage types .idd damage types. Now, I'm going to double check to make sure that that is actually correct. That's what the issue says. The issue says that I just need to add this, which is fine. But I'm going to make sure that that's right. I think it's under types. ICT DDD damage types. Yeah, so this is the Zen class that is being used, and I spelled it wrong. Mods.ddd.damage types.idd damage type. Can I set it to wait, hold on. I may have decided to make this more complicated than it needed to be. I may have just decided to make everything more complicated. I can set it to constants. Why don't I just do that? I could create a file with the constants that I'm using and then just use that. That way it's referenced in one area, not referenced in a whole bunch of areas. Yeah, I like this because why not? This is where's the does is there really only is there really nothing inside the craft trigger folder? Source main Java integration craft tweaker. There really isn't. Okay. Okay, great idea. Interface. In the craft trigger package. Yeah. Because then I can basically just do something like this. I basically set up this. Am I... Yeah, I should set it to an interface inside. It should be an interface. because then I can just set the names here. And it's gonna be, did I close it? I did close it. Good for me. They're just final. I don't need to set it to like public or static, because it's static by default. I should wait, let's call it CT damage type. mods.ddd.damagetypes.idd damage type. Boom. Okay. See? That's good. CT, I don't know which other ones we have. Resistances. mods.ddd.resistances. Wait, is that really it? Yeah, it's just resistances. Okay, I mean, hey, that works. Uh, creature type. This one's gonna be whatever this one is. Mods.ddd.creature type. Literally just copy this. Like this. Whoops. What is this? CT. Put this on caps lock. Creature type. Def. And it iterates over a creature type definition. Uh, that's different, so I don't need to worry about that. Do I need to worry about this? No, I don't need to. Well, I don't need to worry about that, but do I need to worry about this? I don't need to worry about that. I need to worry about this either, right? Because I always get from string. Let's set another thing. I just want to like keep this nice and organized. No more magic strings. Is there anything else here that I need to worry about? No. Is there anything else in here? DDD creature type. DDD type. That's fine, because those are only used in one location. I'm not gonna worry about that. I don't need to worry about that. I'm not gonna worry about that. Because otherwise that's just gonna suck, so we're not gonna worry about that. Now the events. That's not that. Yeah, these have classes. CT getter. No, Okay, that's fine. So I have a getter for resistances, and I need a getter for creature type. That way, it's all unified under one thing. That way, this no more random mistakes and typos and nonsense. You know, they'll fix all those problems. Now, these are probably only used once, so I can kind of leave them as is. That should be fine. And this is... Well, it might... Actually, it might not be. Defender, attacker, true attacker, original source, cancelable. So cancel. That's... that. Get damage, set damage. Shield, get effectiveness. Has immunity, get resistance. Yeah, I do need a method, get resistance. There should be a gather defenses for set resistance as well. Has resistance, has weakness. That's different. Has immunity, grant immunity, revoke immunity, clear immunity. But does this thing have... Has immunity. Set immunity. It's different. This one is grant immunity, not set immunity. Interesting. I wonder if that's worth it. Like, if it's a good idea to have these. Let's do this first. Set this up first. Um, I think those are all the implementations. So I just need to do this. And there's like content tweaker stuff as well. Uh, event. Assign resistances. Resistances. That's not how you spell that. Odds that DDD events, DDD calculation event. I think that's this one. Yeah. And this can actually be here, because that's a root. Let's organize this. Let's organize this. And then I need classification. Event classify. I'll call it event classify. Just this thing. This way I have all the names all in one place, and it's super easy. I don't need to worry about anything. There's no random strings anywhere, because that would be bad. So I did that. I need determine damage, gather defenses, shield block. Okay. Whatever this one is. Whoa. Whoa. Event. Gather. Whoa. Gather. Is that how one spells it? Yes, defenses. Is that how one spells that too? Yes. Event. Shield. Block. Dude, oh my gosh, I can't type. Take this. Put this in here. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad Eclipse was smart. It knew exactly what it wanted to do there, and it just did it. Event update. I can't. Dude, stop holding shift. Whenever I type in all caps, I hold shift like an idiot. When I could just press caps lock and just be done with it. You know? Like. Why do I do this to myself? What change did I make here? I didn't make any change here. And then that's for that. Oh wait. Wait, that iterates over creature type definition? Oh wait, because that's in. Oh, of course it does. Creature type definition. dd.distributions.idamage distribution. See, I was not smart when I named these things. I should have made it more consistent, but I didn't. And now this is why we're here. Oh my gosh, that's not even how you spell distribution. Actually, yeah, separate that out. That's the events. These are the classes. These are the classes that have DDD in the root. This is the distribution class. Just space it out a little. That's the base map. Custom distribution. Please tell me this is not. See, this is why I don't understand what is wrong with me. Look at this. This is a distribution. And it's not distributions. I had, like, there was no rhyme or reason when I named these things. And I can't change it. I can't change it because if people are writing scripts with it like this, And then if I all of a sudden put distributions here, if I move this here so that it actually kind of makes sense, you have damage distribution, custom distribution, they're under mods.ddd.distributions, then everyone's script is going to break. So I just kind of have to leave it like this. And it's so, like, I did not think hard enough when I named these things. Let's see, and this one is damage types, which is like also different, right? Like it should be, but it just isn't. At least this one's under distribution as well. That's good. Distribution. There you go. So that's this. Do I need the event handler as well? Isn't that a class? Oh, no, not that one. The event manager. There we go. And it's under events. Okay, at least it's under events. Everything else is just that. The only other thing I need are these. Distribution builder. And damage type builder isn't even under damage types package. It's so messy, but I mean, it works, so whatever. This is content tweaker. This is content tweaker. Damage type builder. And then there's one for the distribution builder as well. Okay, I know I'm definitely using all of these. I know I'm definitely using this one. I don't know about these ones. I might not use them. I might just leave everything else as is. So this is going to be CT const.ct strings dot get from string method. Yep. And bracket handler damage type. This is also get from string. The const.ct strings dot get from string method. And it's get from string. And they were both get from string to begin with. Let me make sure. That was get from string. And I closed that tab. Why did I do that? Why did I close the tab, dude? Integration, go craft tweaker, brackets. Okay, the creature type is get from string with capital F and capital S, right? And that's exactly what this is, yes. And it's spelled the same too. And then the damage type is also get from string. Good. Right, I did both of these, right? Yeah, I did both of them. So I don't need that anymore. This is going to be CT const dot CT classes dot CT creature type. Mods.ddd.creature type. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Mods.ddd creature type. Yep. Yep. And this needs to be CT const dot CT classes dot creature type def. Because this go away. Dude, go away. Okay, well, it should be mods.ddd.creatureType definition. Mods.ddd.creatureType definition. Okay, good. Yes. Now, again, I don't know if I want to do that, so we're leaving that. This is going to be mods.ddd.resistances. So this should be ct const dot ct classes dot ct resistances, which is resistances. It looks like everything is right. Okay. And this is going to be ct const dot ct classes dot ct damage type, which is mods ddd damage types idd damage type. Okay, yes, good. And since these are final strings, it can accept it here, so we're good. Okay, let's start from the root for this. Econs dot cd classes dot event is all I need, right? Mods.ddd.events.ddd event. That's what it should be. Mods.ddd.events.ddd event. Okay, yeah, that is in fact what I said. And then that goes to event calc dot cd classes dot event calc. And that should set itself to DDD calculation event. Yep, okie doke. Good. So that's good. And then after calc, we need classify. So this is going to be ct const dot cd classes dot event classify. Why? Mods, DDD, events, DDD, classification. I copy and pasted this. And then, what else? Okay, so I did this, I did this, I did this. Now to do, I'm gonna do this one, so I get out of the way. CT cons dot cd classes dot event assign, dude, event assign, my guy, event assign. It won't do it. Maybe because I should have put underscores between these things, but whatever, who cares? It, like, it's fine. Yeah, that was a sign. That should probably have been an I assign mob resistances event instead of an IDDD assign mob resistances event. Because these ones aren't. Whatever. So this is going to be event determine damage. Good. Wait. Okay. And then you do this one. Event gather defenses. Easy peasy. Shield block event. Is it gonna be CT const dot CD classes dot shield event shield block? There you go. See? I got this. Mod set DD events that shield block event. Alright. I kind of just have to hope that that aligns with everything else. In the sense that, like, all the documentation on the wiki is accurate to everything in the actual project, and that there's no discrepancy, and that I didn't make a typo. Which I'm pretty sure I didn't, because I copy and pasted stuff. So I'm feeling decently constant. I'm feeling decently confident. I need to do this one. CT const dot CD classes dot update. Okay, that's... Wait, there's still one more. I need the event manager. Const dot CD classes dot event manager. Yes, okie doke. What am I doing? Const dot CD classes dot creature type def. Okay. And then this is this one here. There's like a hair on my keyboard. Why? This was the damage distribution. Damage distribution. That's what this one was. Right? Yeah, mods of the distribution, damage distribution. Good. And then do this one. See, this iterated correctly. TD classes dot DDD map. And then this iterates over CT const dot CD classes dot this was damage type, right? Where is it? Here it is. Yeah, this is damage type. Did I pass over damage type, or did I not get to damage type yet? I did not get to damage type yet. Okie doke. CT const dot CD classes dot custom distribution. And this is CT const dot CT classes dot CT damage type. CT. That is damage type. I need a distribution now. CT const dot CT classes dot CT distribution. So now the problem, which was here, is now solved because this now references the same class name that this will be called, and it will always be called the same thing. Even if I attempt to change the class name, they will match. They will agree with each other at all times because they will now reference the same string. So that basically solves that entire problem. I realize that I don't want these because while these are nice, it's just a coincidence that some of them happen to be the same. And while it would be nice to necessarily keep them the same, I don't care that much. I need to change this. I should say it contains Zen class names. There you go. What am I doing here? No, dude, not there. Go to the desktop. And then, oh my gosh, dude. What am I doing? And that looks like that fixed everything. There was a minor change in the damage type. Wait, why was there a minor change in the damage type? What what was the minor change in the damage type? Oh, yeah, I changed it from using Scala arrays using Java arrays, which is fine. Um, addresses. Where is the issue here? Number 103. How do you spell addresses? I did in fact spell that correctly. Nice, okay. I can actually just say fix so that when I push, it closes. Let's use closing keywords, why not? Brilliant. Where's my text document? Here it is. Okay, this is good. We have completed. Now we're gonna do this. Right, this thing. Next step. So I need to come up with a bunch of ZenScript examples. Now, I swore I had some examples here. I think it's under run scripts. Yes. There's a whole bunch of stuff. But that's for a different thing. Okay, but I need like more serious examples. I mean, I have this example. This example is fine. I think this is the example that's on the wiki. Hold on. Let's see what example it's actually on the wiki. Let's go to the distribution builder. The example there is, oh, the example there is the cactus one. This one. The example I want to, one of the examples I want to add is this lightning arrow example for distribution. What is this? Oh, that's just a test for that thing. And then this is a true damage type. Right. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so if I wanted to set an example for... I wrote a text document for this. Hold up. I had to minimize that for a quick sec. Creature type immune to diamond weapons. And then true damage. Okay, so let's see if we can make a creature type immune to diamond weapons. You know. So, okay, this is for true damage. So, if I wish to make a new just file. Oh wait, diamond creature type. Wait, diamond immune type. Creature type. ZS. Okay, there we go. Okay, so if I wish to make first I need to make a creature type, right? And this is going to be now as you know, creature type. So, oh wait, no, I need to go to the creature type definition. You can get a creature type by using the creature type bracket handler. The bracket handler is denoted with the DDD creature type followed by the creature type name. If the creature type doesn't exist, DDD will create a new blank creature type. This creature type can be altered as you wish, making this the way to create new creature types in ZenScript. So, let's check this out. 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 I had to say that multiple times. So, let's just do mod loaded distinct damage descriptions. So, I can reference a creature type by doing... Dude, it's like I need 5 monitors to do this. Oh my gosh, I need like a bunch of things places, but I also want to keep OBS open so I can see stuff, but OBS takes up too much of my freaking screen. That's fine. So I can create a creature type just by stating it. DDD creature type, diamond immune. Yeah, streamer problems. Like, oh my gosh. So, because I have declared this type, DDD is going to attempt to retrieve this creature type from its registry. If the creature type does not exist, DDD goes, wait, there's no creature type with this name here. Okay, well, I'll just make a new one. Here you go. Right? So you don't actually need to create it. You just have to declare it. You just assume that every single creature type you can possibly think of exists, and DDD will just create it as long as you talk about it. So, by literally just stating this, thing, it exists now. So, what I can do is I can chain a bunch of calls together to define how I want this creature type to work. So, ideally what I'd want to do is add entity to type. And now I can specify which entity I want to add. So, I think what I want to do, I think an ideal way to set this up for like documentation purposes on the wiki is here's a strategy. No, what are you doing? What am I doing? Entity definition. Because I have to add an entity definition, right? Yeah, it takes an entity definition, which in and of itself is another bracket handler. So I can create val diamond immune entities equals, and I can make this an associative array, right? So let me just remember how this works. Associative arrays. What's the syntax for it? Yeah, so this is going to be as actually, no, I don't want an associative array because I don't need a map. I just need an array, right? Array. Okay, yeah. It doesn't, it needs this. Needs that. As entity definition array. So now in here, I put down what entities I want to be diamond immune. Like, let's say, for example, I put entity Minecraft creeper. And then I can put entity Minecraft sheep. And I don't know, let's come up with a couple. Can it be defined on multiple lines, or does it have to be one line? Okay. Give me a bunch of Minecraft mobs from 1.12. No, like, drowned or anything. And it doesn't matter which ones. It really doesn't. Maybe don't go, like, balls to the wall, but, like, you know. Like, I have a creeper, I got sheep. I can literally use any other entity I want. Alright, say that again. Give me a couple Minecraft mobs. Before Like 1.12 mobs. Nothing like drowned or phantoms or anything like that. Because this is only 1.12. So like villager, polar bear, stuff like that. Chicken baby, zombie, and the stray. The stray. Oh, yes, that's interesting. Entity chicken. Oh wait, entity Minecraft chicken. Now, baby zombies are inherently still zombies, but strays. Strays are their own thing, right? Because for a while there, strays and husks were just like they are obviously skeleton and zombie variants, like respectively, but they were actually in the code just straight up variants. They weren't their own unique thing. It's only been after a while that they are now their own thing. That was in 1.11. The entity ID skeleton has been changed to skeleton, wither skeleton, and stray for those respective mobs. So before they were not different. They were like the same kind of thing. Wither skeletons and skeletons were both skeletons. And the only difference was they had like a little bit flag set that determined whether they were a wither skeleton or a skeleton, and then that got changed to wither skeleton, skeleton, and stray. They had a skeleton type tag, but that was now removed. And in 1.12, so that would work. So I can actually do entity Minecraft stray. Right? And that'll work perfectly. Now, baby zombies are not their own mob. They are zombies that they have some things set that makes them a baby, which I can't set here. However, what I can do is I can what can I do? What can I do? What tags common to all zombies? Does the entity definition state there is something we can do here, and I actually do like the idea of adding this because it's going to make this good. I entity, I just gotta figure out where in the freaking thing. Identity creature. No. It's identity living based. Why am I making this more complicated than it needs to be? Is child. So, right? Yeah, okay. So, what I do here is now I iterate over it. I can just use a for each, right? Yeah. for def in diamond immune entities. Now I do DDD creature type diamond immune dot add entity to type. And I do def. So that will add all the diamond immune entities to this, right? And now they have this creature type. Now, how can I make the baby zombies? All right, we'll add in the baby zombies in just a sec. For now, let's just worry about this, right? I have all of that set up. And now how do I make them immune to diamond weapons? Well, I need a list of what are diamond weapons. It's one thing to say, oh, just look for items that are just like that have diamond in the name, right? But that depends a lot on your definition, right? For example, like diamond weapons, like okay, does diamond boots count? Yes, no. Do regular diamonds count? Yes, no. You have to account for that. It's much easier to just create a list of the items that count, in my opinion. And this is going to be weapons equals, this is going to be Minecraft diamond sword. Is that how it's spelt? Okay, yep, nope, 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 we're not doing that. Um, I need a 1.12.2 give command generator. I'm pretty sure it's that. This makes sense. There's diamond axe, diamond pickaxe, and there's Minecraft, whoa, diamond shovel, and then there's Minecraft diamond hoe. It should be 5, right? There's a sword, the axe, the pickaxe, the shovel, the hoe. Yeah, that's it. As those are item stacks. Isn't there an item definition? Max damage has tag, auras, tool classes, container item, has container item, can edit blocks, has display name, No. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, I think this should be fine. Oops. As I item stack. I think that'll be fine. So now what I can do I can go to which event? Which event do I want to go to here? Okay, so now I think what I want to do is where's my event manager? Oh, I might need to import as well. Import mods.ddd.events.ddd events. Maybe not. And there's basically a bunch of ways you can handle it from here. Mods.ddd.events.ddd events. On gather defenses. Function as, oh wait, function event as mods.ddd.events.gather defenses event. Yeah, okay. If now I need to get this is under a classification event. Yeah, okay. If event dot defender dot creature type has DDD creature type diamond immune. And I wonder if it makes more sense to go not from the gather defenses event, but to go to let's make this a little bit easier on ourselves, you know. Since we're canceling all the damage, we want to cancel all the damage, right? So let's go to living damage event. Armor and absorption modifiers have already been applied to damage. This is final value. Also note that appropriate resources have been consumed. At this point, potion and absorption modifiers have already been applied to the damage. Well then, I don't want that. I can either give it immunity or actually no, I want to do this because I want it to be I want to like actually get the feedback that it blocks everything, not that it just doesn't take damage. Yes, I want the DDD event here. Uh if event dot attacker dot now this is gonna be an entity living base active hand. No, active item stack. It can be null. No, I probably want main hand held item. Maybe main hand held item. Because the active item stack, I don't know what that is. I don't know what the active item stack returns. Does the active item stack return, like, if I'm using a shield, will it return the shield? Because the shield is active? In which case, I like, don't want that, right? If event.attacker dot main hand main hand held item. And that's an item stack. Yeah. This is brilliant. Has diamond weapons. And event.defender.creature type has diamond immune. Alright. I guess it's soft tabs, whatever. So here's where it all comes together, and it's just beautiful, you know? This should get all of them, right? Yes, dude. Yes. For type in, it's a static Zen method. Okay. mods.ddd. What's the class for this? Damage types dot iddd damage type dot get all types. Event dot. Now we're on the gather defenses event. Grant. Event dot grant immunity. Yeah. Event dot grant immunity type. Because according to the damage calculation, gather defenses occurs there. DD then notes all the DD specific enchantments. It first applies immunities or removes any damage to damage maps for immunities the defender has, then applies resistances to the remaining damage. Brute Force will reduce resistance by 10%, but that's not what we're doing. Slice Strike will ignore immunities, and so that will actually make it susceptible. Yes. Okay, so what's going on here is I'm setting a list of all the diamond weapons that will classify, and then I'm setting a list of all the diamond immune entities, and I'm creating a creature type that has that diamond that for diamond immune entities. And then on a gather defenses event, I check the main handheld item of the attacker, and if it is a diamond weapon, right, and they are diamond immune, then what I do is I give that diamond immune entity immunity to all damage. That's basically what this loop does. This gives immunity to all damage. However, what this should also allow me to do is if I have a diamond sword enchanted with Slice Strike, which bypasses immunities, a diamond sword enchanted with Slice Strike should actually be able to bypass this and still inflict damage to diamond immune entities because it has that enchantment. And I think that's about it. Now, let's say I didn't want to give it immunity to all types. Like, let's say I had a true damage type and I never want anything to have resistance or immunity to true type whatsoever. Then I could set something up for that. I'm curious of the execution order for events that run at the same time. Like, can I make this thing run before another thing, or do they just run like what's the order here? Hold on. What's the order? It doesn't say. And so I assume that's undefined behavior. That's lovely. Okay, so that's fine. I'll deal with that later. Well, I could have a where is this? Where is this? Where is this? Global functions. Nope, not global functions. That is wrong. Custom functions. Yes. I could set a global function and then use cross-script reference. You specify the path relative from the script folder. E.g. scripts.mysubfolder.a.cs. Cross-reference scripts start with scripts. Okay. All scripts have static variables or custom functions are registered to the cross-script reference. This allows you to access these field/functions using dot notation. Okay, well, I don't need to worry about that right now. Anyway, this script here defines a creature type. This here should define a creature type of diamond immune entities, and I'm going to check it. I do not like the fact that this is large. Hold on. Is this for widgets and dialogues? No. Console font. Used by the debug console. That's used by the debug console. Restore defaults. Console is 10. Okay. View and editor folder. Structured text editor. Structured text editors. Properties file. Dude, I just want. The block selection mode font is used by text editors in block column mode. Yeah, okay, that's. Widgets and dialogues. Okay, yeah, whatever. Apply and close. Okay. This is so tiny. I actually think that's too small. I'd have to set all this other stuff. Where's basic? Text font. Edit. Make it like 12. Okay. That's Oh, better. Is this not gonna capture? Oh wait, that would explain why it's not gonna capture. There you go. Oh, can I set this up a little bit? Thank you. Okay, so now what I can do... That's fine. Behold, my genius. It crashed a bunch. Hold on. The script broke. That's intentional. Bypass adaptability.zs at 30. I'm pretty sure bypass adaptability is like incomplete on line 30. Better with add-ons. Oh, because it can't find that potion effect, right? Probably. Um, let's just, you know. Oops. What am I doing here? Okay, there's like nothing there now. That's fine. Now, let's fix what like actually broke here. Um, what actually broke was this. On line 4, could not find type I item stack. Oh, I need to import those types. I'm pretty sure I need to import those types. I'm pretty sure I need to import those types. Import, uh... what am I looking for here? I need entities. Entity definition. Import craft tweaker dot entity dot entity definition. And I need to import craft tweaker dot, it's probably item. This is what happens when you make the imports intuitive. People don't need to look it up all the time. They can just intuitively figure it out. And apparently I decided that that wasn't worth it. I need item stack. Yeah, I was right. It's dot item dot item stack. And I just knew that because it's intuitive, unlike mine. Oh boy. Okay, so this works. It's now, the font's a little bit smaller now, but... If you full screen, is it viewable? Okay, you can see it at full screen. That's true. I can't make this text font. bigger, I don't think. Because this is what text editor is this? Does it even know? I don't think it does. Text. Oh, that's to search text. I'm genius. Oh wait, can I do this? Oh my gosh, I can. That's awesome. I don't need to do anything. I can just boop. And then decrease it when I want. Zoom in and out. Dude, that's brilliant. Dude, that's brilliant. That is brilliant. Okay. So, I found item stack. I don't think I need definition, because I think this will work as is. Okay, so I can close Minecraft again, launch it again, and double check. Because I have to relaunch. I can't hot swap it, because it won't do the hot swap. This is ZenScript. And then swap back. It broke again. But broke for different reasons. No such member. Main handheld item. Lies. Lies. Nonsense. Absolute lies. Oh, wait. No, it's not lies. Whoops. That's not lies. That's fair. Entities don't have main hands. Entity living bases have main hands. Cannot cast Zen type native crash tweaker dot item dot item stack to any. Oh, I think it's because that broke. Don't. Okay. Hold on. Actually, just like close this. I don't need this. Okay. Okay. So line 15 is the problem here because the attacker is an I entity. And I need to get the I entity living base from the attacker. So, if I go to the wiki and I go to the IDDD event, the IDDD event is attacker. Oh, sorry, it's an I entity. I need to cast that to an I entity living base. But what if it's not? Does it just become null if I cast it incorrectly? What does this say? That does nothing. Cool. Alright, but I got to here. The problem is that this does not work. So I need to cast it. 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 If event dot attacker instance of, is there an instance? There's got to be an instance of, right? Dude, I'm gonna learn to be a ZenScript pro by just coming up with examples. Oh, this is probably under global functions. Yep. If it's an instance of identity living base, and only if it's an instance of identity living base. I don't know if you can return nothing, so whatever, that's fine. I'll just do it like this. It doesn't have to be the prettiest thing ever. Okay, if it's that, then we set val attacker equals event.attacker as I entity living base. Is that how you cast it? I don't remember. Oh, val player as I player. That's how you cast it. You gotta do it like that. It's gotta be in front. Val attacker as I entity entity living base equals event attacker. Because now we know that it's you can cast it. And now we can just do attacker. Attacker.main handheld item, which exists. It exists. It does. I promise. Identity Living Base has a Zen getter called main handheld item. I have main handheld item. Okay. and that would be an item stack. Now, if it's empty, then it should be fine. I'll have to test that, but it should be fine even if it's empty. I don't know what I'm doing. That's how I get to most places in life. I don't know what I'm doing. And all of a sudden, I end up somewhere. Bingo. What just broke? Oh, that's for different things. I don't know. Bada boop. Why did it break? Could not find type identity living base. Oh my gosh. Could not find type identity living base. Okay, could not cast. It still gave that problem, but that problem's different. Okay, don't worry. I'll figure it out eventually. I think I need to import it. Import. Yeah, I need to import it. Craft tweaker dot entity dot I entity living base. Now, this should work, right? I'm pretty confident that that should work. How can you check? You should import the corresponding and do so at the top of the script. Yeah. Okay, I did import. You can nest arrays and arrays referring to items in arrays. It's index notation. That's fine. While loop, adding items in array. I mean, the first item is if you want to refer to, or you need to refer, or you need two or more refers. What am I even talking? Oh, a nested array. Wait, what if I... Conditional statements. Am I... Whoa, wait a second. First you need the list you want to check in, then the in and has, then the value you want to check for. Wait, so then is this wrong? This is backwards. If Diamond Weapons has attacker.mainhand held item, oh wait, no. This is right because this is what I want to check for in here. This is what I want to check for in here. I just had this backwards. Okay. Okie dokie. I get the picture now. I get big brain. I understand now. I should probably maximize that. Okie dokie. I get the picture. This is gonna work now. Alright? This is gonna work. This is gonna work. I'm calling it right now. Yep, that error is from a script that is actually supposed to error, so that's fine. Okay, so let's not worry about this. I have a diamond axe, right? Right here. Bada boop. Right? Hello. Please let me up. That's right. I made a shelter out of crafting tables. Why is the game always like pause every 5 seconds? They did it again, dude. I don't know why it does that. That's really annoying. And it did it again. So I didn't say that zombies were, but first let's verify. I can hit you with this. And it hurts. It got reduced because you have... You don't inflict any damage. Why unknown damage? You are not going to be unknown damage. You are normal damage. That's really weird. Oh. That's because you're not listed. That's fine. Beat him up. Good. Okay. Are you having a stroke? Bro, you good? Yeah, the console's not complaining. It's just chugging. Oh my gosh, dude, you died. He died. Something is not happy existing right now. I don't know what. I don't know why. Dude, I, like, legit don't know why. No, dude, Shift F3. Do the thing. Why do I have, massive amount of unspecified usage? Why, though, dude? You know what? Uh, yeah. Maybe that helps. It literally doesn't. Why do you suck? I don't know. Chug-a-lug, yeah, dude. Okay, it's not like that bad, but it is weird. It's probably because... It's probably because I'm just, like... I'm running it through its deobfuscated code. Maybe it's not, like, fully compiled to be optimized or whatever. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so this stray, we said that they would... Please stop shooting the Iron Golem. Anyway, you should be immune to this damage. You are not. That is kind of an issue. Okay. That did not work as intended. What about the creeper? Pretty sure the creeper is also going to take damage, right? Yep. Okay. Why? Why? Um, I need to debug this. With, like, that, and then... Maybe if I print... Also print attacker dot main hand held item. And then print has attacker dot main hand held item. Oh wait, I need a semicolon that. And then I'll have to make sure I check the log. Okay, so what I'm adding here is I'm adding just a print if we enter this thing. So if this prints, I know that I'm in here. And then I'm gonna check to see if I'm gonna print whatever the main handheld item is, just to make sure that that's what it's supposed to be. And I'm also gonna print attacker.active item stack. And then I'm going to print this, which should work, because that'll evaluate to true and that'll print it and that'll work. Okay, so that should work, right? That should just be like no problem. I need to open the log though. Where's the log? Well, I'll click it. I need to find out where the log is. Where's craftreaker.log? That is not craftreaker.log. Where is craftreaker.log? There is craftreaker.log. Okay. I mean, if on the title screen it doesn't lag. I mean, I freaking hope so. I don't want it to chug a lug, dude. It's not cool. You make me unhappy. Dang it, what just broke? Void has no default value. Void has no default value. What the hecku? Parameter count mismatch got one argument. What? Oh, could I not print it? Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Hold on. What if I'd made it an ingredient? Wait, well, hold on. Sometimes you want your ingredient to have a specific tag or only work if not damaged. Yeah, that's fine. That's whatever. If you want to check if an I item stack matches your I ingredient, use the match method. This will return a boolean. If the I ingredient represents liquid, it will check if the item is a valid container for this liquid. You can also match two ingredient objects, in which case you'd use the in operator. Oh, dude, I'm a genius. I'm probably not. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set this to be I ingredient. No. I don't even need this. This is useless. Wait, no, don't delete the whole thing. We're gonna set it to be this. So that is now an I ingredient, and what an I ingredient can do is that it can match. Uh, can you or two? Can you or more than two? It doesn't say. I don't know. We'll have to find out. Um, because that in and of itself is. I don't know. It should work. And then instead we do diamond weapons matches. We can do matches. Yeah, matches. We can also match two ingredient objects, which is use the in operator. I think I could just do diamond wedge. What? Dot matches attacker dot main handheld item. Because now it's an I ingredient, so oops, just like that. And that'll work. What did it complain about? It complained that void has no default value. Void has no default value. Oh, that was for that. Item definition. Definition dot ID. That's a string, so I can print that. And then dot definition dot ID. I probably don't need to worry about this anymore, actually. Okay. Yes. I've got this under control. I would prefer if the rest of the stream was not me debugging this simple ZenScript, like this single thing. I'd prefer to do maybe just like a little bit more than just that. That would be ideal. All right. Is it gonna work? 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 Please work. I beg thee. All right. It's working so far. This is good. This is good. Now, oh, you're dying. That's mighty unfortunate. Could you die in peace and faster, please? Where are you going, dude? Nowhere now. Alright, we're not gonna worry about that. We're gonna worry about the creeper. Now, ideally, the creeper is immune to this, right? I'm even gonna switch to... I'm gonna, like, grab a brand new diamond axe just in case. Just in case. And, they sure took damage, that's for sure. Alright, so, we need to open the log. Wait, I said we need to open the log. Attacker is living base. A diamond axe. True. Wait, it worked. Does it not have this, though? Dude, everything else worked except for event.defender.creaturetype.has. Okay, if everything else worked. Now, if I punch you with nothing, just out of curiosity, I want to see what it says. Oh, I get a null pointer exception. That's bad. Yeah, okay. Attacker's living base. I got null for this, but I got a null pointer exception for that. Attacker's living base, null. Yeah. And I got a null pointer there. Okay, so I need to be careful with that. Can I check if a stack is empty? I should be able to, right? Is empty. There we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so I don't need this or this. if not attacker dot main handheld item dot is empty. Because that's what I had to do for this, right? Or maybe I just used the active item stack. Actually no, I probably want to do this. Okay, then this thing. Why is this not working? I'm gonna double check quickly that there isn't like something I need to enable here for this to work. Core. This is huge creature types from Jason, which I'm not using. That's different. It didn't okay, so what it didn't say, the log did not say that the conditions were met and so it was granting immunities. It did not say that. Um that's actually really interesting. Does it not work? Hold on. Hold on. This better work. Creature type definition. Add entity to type. Right? And that does that. And then we also have the bracket handler. Wherever this is, it's over here. So the bracket handler on the CT creature type definition does a get from string, and it tries to get it. If it's null, if the creature type is null, I do hate that. Actually, maybe it's fine. Actually, no, I do hate it. Anyway, that's fine. I'll deal with that later. If the data is null or it's unknown, it creates a new creature type with the source of CT. Now, this false is for what? That false is for crit immunity. Yeah. And then return get from creature type data. Cool compute effect percent. And this is a creature type. And that will give me the IC creature type definition, which it will create a new one. And this is a creature type. Okay, so then it'll modify that by creating a new creature type definition. It sets that to, oh, it does this. It calls that with this, passes that creature type in, which is this. It passes this into this so that this goes to here. And then I do add entity to type. DDD registries.creature types add type to entity. Entity ID. Def.getID. Let's open the implementation for this. Any ID doesn't exist. We'll give a singleton set containing creature type data.unknown. If we happen to remove unknown, then the set will be empty and we will move it from the map. But it was never in the map, so nothing happens. And a future get will still get back the same singleton set. Wow, that's cool. Right, because a non-null map always returns that. If entity ID doesn't exist, it'll give a singleton set containing creature type data.unknown. If we happen to remove unknown, then the set will be empty and we will remove it from the map. But it was never in the map, so nothing happens. Oh, because yeah. So this.typemap contains entity ID, which it probably doesn't. This.typemap.get entity ID add type. This.typemap.get entity ID add type. It adds that type to that. Now, can that happen here? Surely it can, right? Uh, and then how do we register this? You just register it. Good for me. Yeah, but we do register it. And this comes from sourced registry. Which goes from here. And then register, it should actually state that it's being registered. That's a fair freaking point. Oh, there it is, right there. Registering creature type, diamond immune, craft tweaker. Okay, so like it exists. It recognizes the type. That's good. It recognizes the type, but then why does this not work? That's really interesting, actually. I am not sure why that's not working. It exists. We add the entity to the type. Ah, it might be when we attempt to get the creature types that this thing has. It's not giving us the right creature types back. That might be it. So on this, on creature type, okay, so this goes to event.defender.creature type. So we do this, and that's going to return this on this entity. dd_api.accessor.get mob creature type. Get the mob's creature type. The I creature type the mob has. What the the I mob creature type. Um Open implementation of that. It gets the DD capability of mob creature type. It should totally get it. I'll have to. I have ideas. I have ideas. All right. I have great ideas. Either my ZenScript sucks or my Java sucks. I feel like that's really the only option here. Okay, now for starters, punching this thing should not. Why did that still give me a null pointer exception? But I checked. I added a check. Wait, because it's null. Wait, that doesn't make sense. It's empty. Does that not work the same way? Alright, well, that's interesting. False. It says that the defender does not have the diamond immune creature type. But I added it. Wait, why does that not work? Why does that not work? Why does this not work? Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold up. What I can do is I can do something here. I can do something here that's pretty good. I can figure this out. Oh wait, I know what I can actually I know what I can do. I think it's under handlers. Capability handler. Unattach entity capabilities. Event add capability. DDD registers creature types. Get creature type for mob. This thing right here. There might be a minor inconsistency. Okay, so now, hold on. We go back here. Right? Yeah, okay. So this is this. This is this. This is fine. Okay, so now this returned Minecraft Creeper, which is exactly what we want it to do. We can return that. Go in there. This dot type map. Okay, this is type map. Why is this empty? I registered a whole thing, dude. Wait a second. That doesn't make sense. This should not be empty. Because I did this thing. I did this. Well then, that's interesting. My Java is bad. That's basically what that is. On here, I need to do no, on the implementation of this thing. Like the only implementation that exists. Here, I need to figure out why this is not working. Because that's supposed to take us back to here. Hello, hi, Kusanagi. Hello, hello. Wait. Why do you not appear on stream? Oh, you do appear on stream. Okay, never mind. We're good. So let's. This should. Type map does contains key, but does not contain the key, so it should get it and then add the type. No, no. Is this backwards? And it's a non-null map. Is this backwards? Okay, hold on. I may have stumbled across a major bug. If the type map does not contain the key, get it by the entity ID and add it to the type. So it's going to do this if it doesn't exist. Well, that's stupid. If it contains the key for the entity ID, then it should get the set associated with the entity ID and add it to that type. Or add that type to that thing. Because if it does that, then it gets that and it returns, since it's non-null, it returns, since I have a non-null map, it does this, which normally is fine. This whole setup works only if I can add things to the map correctly. Because that's not actually in the map. Right. 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 I fixed a really big problem. Okay, now that's not gonna fix a couple things here. Hold on, wait a second. Yeah, just do that. Second creeper. Dude, why you freeze in the air? Cringe. Nice, we're here for the fixes. Dude, exactly. Exactly. So now I'll have to relaunch this. So, okay. Now, what I can do is, um, that is now gonna probably go correctly now. I just want to double check this thing. Eventually, Paranagi will update. Will Yeelp be ready? I am making a highlight reel for Paranagi because I am done. You know? Add type 2 entity. This thing that now works with that. Do I? Yeah, let's leave that with a breakpoint. So it'll work. And this should just do thing, right? Yeah, it does thing. Okay, good. And now it's gonna add the type to the entity correctly because it does that and it puts that there, and then this dot type map is going to have a creeper. Oh, that's registering. Okay. What creature type is this? What else is supposed to be Jason, dude? Type map has creeper. Oh, it has dweller. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Right, because that was initially. I'd love to have a dollar every time Minecraft has to be relaunched during your modding. That's just. Look, it's just part of the debugging process. It how it be do. You are correcto. Now run my craft tweaker script. Thank you. Finally, dude. You took forever to do that. And now we add it. So I know you can't see this cut the Minecraft thing up, but I'm just making sure this is working correctly. Type map is now gonna have creeper go to that, followed by diamond immune. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Dude, we're good. We are good. Creeper now has creature types, as does like stray and all that other stuff. I fixed a big bug today that made creature types completely unusable until now. Oh my gosh, how'd it go so long? But now it works. It's almost like if I sit down and actually make examples and check to make sure the examples work and do the painstaking debugging and testing process, I get to get everything to work, and then everything is just good, you know? It's almost like... Okay, this creeper did not spawn with the creature type. Because it got its thing from disc. This creeper... Yes, dude, look at this. I cannot hit the creeper with this because it is a diamond axe. So, now, it'll even work with a diamond sword as well. However, something like an iron sword will work on this guy. That doesn't work. But this does. Ha ha ha! When it actually works. Oh, and because he's part of the example creature type, because he has two creature types right now. He has the diamond immune creature type. He also has the example creature type, which was defined in JSON, which does load because I have that config option set to load from JSON. And so because of that, he's actually immune to critical hits as well. And since he's immune to the diamond weapon, because I gave him immunity to everything, he doesn't take knockback when I hit him with this, because that is how that works. But now, behold, I am going to... What is this inventory that I'm looking at right now? This is freaking horrendous. I think it should be... I like how this inflicts unknown damage. Oh, I know why this inflicts unknown damage. It inflicts unknown damage because... Yes, that is set. That's why that works like that. So these inflict unknown damage because it's not defined. Which is fine. Slice Strike, I need this. And there should be an anvil nowhere. Good for me. It's under decoration blocks. Anvil. Now, I do this. Now, I'm actually morbidly curious for a quick sec. I think I should, in theory, be able to apply Psi Strike? Dude, Psi Strike? Dang, dude. I should be able to apply a Psi Strike to this, right? Yes, I can. Okay. I really like this. It's very satisfying. Alright, so before this diamond sword here, right? This diamond sword cannot. But this diamond sword, enchanted with Slice Strike, boom, he's dead. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. If Mojang ever changes it, I will cry. I mean, if Mojang changes the, If Mojang changes... I mean, Mojang changed the piston sound, and we all know how well that went, so, you know. And it won't work with this, because that's also diamond. I'm gonna check the other diamond stuff, just to make sure that works. A diamond shovel and diamond hoe. So, a diamond pickaxe does no damage to this man, a diamond shovel does no damage to this man, diamond hoe does no damage to this man. The diamond axe does no damage to this man, and the diamond sword does no damage to this man. However, a diamond sword enchanted with Slice Strike damages him, and of course, gives him knockback. What a cool concept. So now you can actually implement sort of a material-based system. So now let's expand upon this idea. You know, let's expand upon it. Let's expand upon it. Switch back to this view. So this works, and this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now, we also do want to do the baby zombie only thing, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to also do for def in diamond immune child only. And I'm gonna do DDD creature type diamond immune dot add entity to type, right? So now it's considered diamond immune. However, I'm gonna add another type here. DDD creature type diamond immune child. And I'm also going to add that entity to that type. Right? And so now it'll, because I added it to the diamond immune type, it'll have all the properties that the diamond immune type has. And in particular, it will evaluate to, it will behave normally on all of these other things. But then what I do here is I double check. Um, if there is probably a better way to do this. Yes, this is how I want to do this. So if I start with this set to true, and basically now I'm gonna have a bunch of like things that if their conditions are met, I will set grant immunities to false, and at the end if grant immunities is false, it won't actually do this whole thing. This is kind of my way of getting like guard statements in ZenScript because I can't really do like returns and breaks because I don't know how well ZenScript handles that. So I'm gonna do it like this instead because I know this will work. And I don't want to be debugging for like syntax reasons because that would be just kind of dumb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check if event.defender dot creature type. Now, because I've set it up like this, anything that is diamond immune child only will also be diamond immune. So I already know that it's going to be diamond immune if I'm in here. Now I just need to check to see if it has diamond immune child. If event.defender.creature type has diamond immune child, event.defender.creature type has diamond immune child. No, wait, this is wrong. Wait, it's diamond immune child. And it has to have, I need to use a bracket handler. DDD creature type. And I need to spell this correctly. Has diamond immune creature type. And if it's creature type child, event.defender.creature type has diamond immune child and not, most importantly, not this part still doesn't work. I don't know why. Oh wait. if because the main held item is returning null, I'm gonna do is null. If not is null. There we go. If event.defender.creature type has DDD creature type diamond immune child and not. I'm tired of doing this. Equals event.defender. I'm tired of typing event dot. There we go. And defender dot is child. Let me double check that. We gotta check for the chilledness. Entity living base. Now the defender is always an instance of entity living base, so I don't need to check if it's an entity living base. Because I know it is. It has to be. Is child. So if it is a child, this will be true. In which case, then it won't enter this block, right? But if it's a diamond immune child, and only if it's a diamond immune child, and it is not a child, i.e. an adult zombie. Adult zombies will enter this block, but baby zombies will not. At least that's the idea. Then I will set grant immunities to false. And so now it won't actually do this. Now I could also just like, well, to insert this Boolean here, I would have to add an additional condition to say, okay, if it has the diamond immune child type and it's not a child. In other words, like, if this implies this and that's true, then do this. Which I could do. I could also just for the sake of context, I could do if not. I could do like not defender.creature type has DDD creature type diamond immune child, or defender dot is child. I could do this, because what this is that this is implication. This is the same as I need to cut paste this. This is the same as this implies this. It's this, like, Boolean expression. Now, this Boolean expression here has the advantage of, if it's a diamond immune child, then this expression is true only if it's actually a child. However, if it's not a diamond immune child, ex falso says that that's true regardless. In other words, if it doesn't have the diamond immune child creature type, this will still evaluate to true, but if it has a diamond immune creature type, it will only evaluate to true if it is a child. So I could put that there as well, but for the sake of readability on the wiki, I'm not going to include that, because then I'd have to explain how that implication works. And while I definitely could, and it definitely would work, I want this to be a little bit more readable. I don't want to have to explain that because then it might make it harder to understand. And the whole point is that this needs to be easy to understand. But you can also verify it. It's like if diamond immune child, if this is true, then this part evaluates to false because this is not. It was negated. And so for this expression to evaluate to true, this must evaluate to true. So if this is true, this must be true. But if this is false, then it gets negated to true, then the whole thing is true. And so that doesn't matter what this is. You see? So technically, yeah. I could put that there. Maybe I will put that there. Because I could literally just explain it like that. So then I don't even need any of this. I literally just get rid of that. Oh wait. This needs to be here. Yeah, so if not defender.creaturetype.has DDD creaturetype.diamond-immune-child DDD creaturetype diamond-immune-child or defender.isChild. This works. So now baby zombies should be immune to diamond weapons, however, adult zombies should still be susceptible. Because zombies will have the diamond immune child only type. So hopefully that makes sense. Now I need to figure out a way to summon a baby zombie. Uh, 1.12.2 summon command generator. Oh, it's literally just is baby one. Okay. This is for 1.12, but drown conversion time isn't a thing. Alright, whatever. We'll see if it works. And that still works. So now this should still, yep, still immune. It still works. And this still damages it. Alright, so we're good there. So now, what I'm gonna verify. Let's put a zombie under here. So now, you're gonna be susceptible. You are susceptible, you see? You're susceptible. Because you were Dolt Zomb. Now I need Bab Zomb. And I think I can do that by doing /summon. Oh my gosh, hold up. Zombie. Here is baby 1. Bam. And now, aha! Now the baby zombie doesn't take the damage. But of course, the baby zombie can still take the damage from the Slice Strike Sword. Bam! Dude. I am a genius. Yeah, I did just decide to drop a zombie in there for no reason. Yes, dude, it works. It works. I'm pretty sure baby zombies will burn. No, they don't burn. They only start burning in like 1.13 in the daytime. So I'm free to have you here. And of course, he's not in the example damage type, so he is susceptible to crits. Now, I also can't knock him. Now, what I am also curious about is if I punch him, am I still gonna get a null pointer exception? I no longer get a null pointer exception. Good. That's good. Dude, nice dodge, dude. Dude, that was impressive. And there he goes. All right. Awesome. So, this is the entire script. It's just 31 lines, and it sets that whole thing up. Now, you could obviously expand upon this by changing the diamond weapon, like changing this here. You can change this to be whatever you want, right? You can also change the entities affected. I never checked sheep and chicken, but it obviously works. And we added a special condition where only child zombies, babzoms, bombs, you might want to call them, babzoms, only they are affected. Or sorry, only they are immune to diamond weapons. And all we do is we use this here. This simple thing. That's all you gotta do. This is the kind of cool stuff that I want DDD to be able to do, right? And that's kind of cool stuff that DDD can do. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. You can do a lot of cool stuff relating to this. And creature types allows a lot of that to be used, which really just unlocks a whole lot of options. And of course, I just granted them immunities. What if I wanted to, let's say you hit them with an iron sword, and I want to double their resistances, or maybe increase their resistances by 50%. Right? You could easily adapt this to doing something like that. Just for all the damage types, you check the current resistance, and then you just multiply it by 1.5, right? That'd be a 50% increase. Maybe you have an upper cap on it too, right? You could add a cap on that and on that increase. right? So you could really tweak that to kind of work however you want. Um, and yeah, so that's a pretty cool example. So this is gonna go on the wiki along with the other example that I wrote up a while ago. Where is it? This is an example that creates a damage distribution where skeletons in water during thunderstorms inflict lightning damage with their arrows, provided the target is also in water. Or like being rained on. That also works as well. And that's like a very specific context, right? But it works, right? I don't think I mean there's this thing here, but that's I don't know if these are examples that I want to do. Yeah, this is pretty cool. That's not how you spell get status. Dang it, dude. Okay, I'm ahead by 2 commits. I think I'm pretty much done here. Um, so I can push that. One thing I also want to double check while I'm here quickly is, do I have the Tinker's Construct thing set up? Oh yeah, I have that. Got the Lycanites mob thing? I do have the Lycanites mob thing. Okay. Good. Good, 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 good. All the articles on the wiki exist and are like complete. All the articles that are there are actually complete articles, so that's good. I wanted to verify that. So I'm going to basically put. Oh wait. I need to build this. This is an important bug fix. I need to push this bug fix out like today probably. That would be ideal. Wait, I can't push the bug fix if I don't bump the version. And yeah, 1.6.1. No, dude, 1. Boom. You think I feel like it probably creates a 1.6.0 jar instead of 1.6.1 jar. It's like in the middle of compiling the code when I changed it. So I don't know. I don't know if I changed it before it like decided that the version was 1.6.0. So we're gonna have to figure that out. If it says 1.6.1, then we're good. I don't need to rebuild. I just need to push the version bump, which I completely forgot to do. Um, Now where would I find this? Not in that folder. In this folder. That's not a folder. That's a text document. Build libs. This was built at 1.4. I need a rebuild. Everything else seems to work pretty good. So I feel pretty good with this. And this is a pretty important update. I can push this update to CurseForge, Modrinth, and GitHub, and then I can make a wiki page covering ZenScript examples, write all that, and then like we're good. But that was a kind of jank transition. Was it really jank? It was kind of jank. I don't know why that's kind of jank. It only really works with I don't know. Whatever. It would that was kind of jank transition. But that's probably going to be where I might need to look into this transition and tweak it because I think it's kind of broken a little, but that's fine. Um, yeah, that's gonna conclude the stream. Um, but we did what we set out to do, and it took the entire stream, but it worked, and it looked awesome. So, how'd it work? But we did it. We got there. All right. So, yes, I will do. I will